Hello student, today we'll discuss on the topic of multiplexer and their use in combination logic design. See, so multiplexer, it is also called as data selector. It is a combinational circuit that select binary information from one of the input line and direct it to a single output line. In combinational circuit that select binary information from one of the input lines and direct it to a single output line. Usually there are 2 raised to n input line and this n is a selection line whose bit combinations determine which input line is selected. Okay, so we can call that in that multiplexer that having the many inputs line and one output line. Out of that many, which line will be routed, that will be decided by the select inputs. For example, 2 raised to n multiplexer. If selection S is 0, then I0 has the path to output, and if S is 1, it has the path to output. Then see the diagram, then it will be clear. These are the two inputs and the yes select line. Okay, 2s to 1 marks. So which input will be routed toward the output? It will be decided by the S. It will be decided by the S. Okay, if S is equal to 0, then I0 will be routed toward the Y. If S is equal to 1, then I will be routed toward the Y. Okay, so S0, then I0, 1 means I1. And then after this we have to write the equation y is equal to what? S0 into I0 plus S1 means S I1. Okay, so according to that we have to draw the logic diagram. Y is equal to what? S0, S0, S and S0. So S0 into I0 AND gate. Okay, plus or gate inputs, then S into I1, S and into I1 AND gate, and in between plus sign means OR operation, it is connected to the OR gate input. Finally we got the output of. In this way multiplexer will be work, means 2s to 1 having the 2 input, one select line and one output line. Now we'll see the function table with the enable lines. These are the now 4s to 1 marks, 4 input and 1 output line. So 4 means 2 raised to n is equal to 4. N is equal to what? 2 raised to power 2. Then its value is 4. So that's why it requires 2 select line. Name is S0 and S1, and E is your enable pin. Whenever it will be active or enable, then and then the marks will be work. Whenever enable pin is active, then and then it will be work. Okay, so 4s to 1 to select line, 4 input line I0, I1, I2, I3 and output line. So if you see the table of a truth table of a E0, in that case S0 and S1 is don't care, condition means does not matter what is the value of H0 and what is the value of S1, still the output is 0, don't care condition. Don't care means what? Their value is either 0 either 1, still it is same. Similarly, whenever H0 0, S1 0, in enable pin is 1, in that time output is 0, because the first I0 will be routed toward the output. I0 output is 0, not I0. Okay, if I0 is 0, then it is 0. I0 is connected to 1, then it is 1, like this one. What are the input you can provide to I0? That will be routed toward the output. Similarly, whenever 0, 1, in that time the 1, what are the input you can provide to I1? That will be routed toward the output. Like this one, it will be work. Okay, so by applying the same methods, means by drawing the truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 I0 I1 I2 I3. Okay, so we have to construct the 4:1 line multiplexer. Okay, for 4:1 multiplexer means what we have to do, y is equal to or function. See the diagram, from the diagram it will be clear. Okay, so value of h0 is 0, so we can write h0 bar, this one is h0 bar, s1 is 0, that s1 bar. Okay, both are connected, h0 and h0 bar and s1 bar, both are connected to the input and i0. Okay, so here is nothing but h0 bar s1 bar into i0 bar. These are multiplication, here one term will be occur. Like these are the second, third and fourth, all will be combined, connected to the OR gate output, and it is connected to finally as a, these are nothing but your, we can call as buffer. Okay, it is buffer if you connect, and finally we got output f. Okay, so if you remit and you can apply f again, it is okay, no, there is no issue. Okay, so in this way the 4:1 multiplexer will be work, 4:1 line multiplexer will be work. Okay, so hope so we understood the 4:1 multiplexer. In the coming lecture we'll discussing about the multiplexer with the in combination logic circuit. Thank you.